Write on the seventh integral, integration of dx by ax square plus bx plus c, right? Just write on this part, then I'll explain to you what does that mean here. Okay, so whenever you get in the form of ax square plus bx plus c in the denominator is a quadratic, isn't it?
Yeah.
Denominator is in quadratic. So basically what we need to do, we need to solve this quadratic equation using the completing the square method. So what do I mean by completing the square method? Completing a square method means which we have done in the 11th also. It means that you need to get in the form of a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square plus something, isn't it? So
Yeah.
if we see here ax square plus bx plus c equal to a equal to what you did, so you take the a common, so what you will get, you will get x square plus b by ax plus c by a, correct? That means you divide and multiply this quadratic equation with a, correct?
Yes, sir.
So now you just need to take the x square plus b by ax. See, this two equations, this first two terms, you need to take it and form in the form of a plus b whole square. So how did that means? X square is a square, b by a is b by ax. So b by ax is this basically is a 2ab. So you just need b square minus, so you add b square and subtract b square. I mean, you b by a you have to divide by 2, so it will become b by 2a. So you have to add and subtract the b by 2a whole square, correct? So you will get the completing the square, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you will get the completing a square, correct? Now this completing a square method is, we need to use this completing the square method just to help you get the denominator in terms of the a square, a plus b whole square plus something or minus something, so that you can apply the formula using a substitution method, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So this you don't have to do this part right now, because maybe it will be little confusing for you that in terms of variable everything is there, right? So once we do the problem, then it will be easy for you to understand, because finally once you get in the a plus b whole square form, so that you can take a plus then x plus b by 2a as t. When you differentiate it, you will get the numerator part, because numerator is nothing but dx only, so it will come in the form of t, dt. And then we can directly apply the formula, because it will come in the form of a square, t square plus minus k square. What is t square plus minus, or t square plus minus k square is nothing but the your property number 3, dx by x square plus a square. Got it? dx by x square plus a square is nothing in the form of log x plus the square root of x square minus a square, isn't it?
Yeah.
Getting it? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this you just you don't have to write it. This we have to just do that part, because this is property number 7 is just for understanding purpose. Okay? Because once we do that, it will be more clear to you. Clear? Any questions? Any doubts?
No, sir. Clear.
See, properties number 7th is based on your property number 3 or property number 4. Second. It will come in either of this form, or property number 1. So it will come in the form of either property number 1 or property number 3, because basically you need to convert that. Property number 7, whatever the property number 7 we are talking about, it will finally boils down to property number 1 or property number 3, just in terms of the dt. Clear? Same case goes with the property number 8 also. Property number 8 also is also completing the square only. When you complete the square, everything comes in the square root form. And all these things we are discussing in the property number 1 to property number 6. That's only important. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Go to the property number 9. Property number 9, just write it down this part, then I'll explain to you. Integration of ax square plus bx plus c, px plus q, and then write down this part, a d by dx of x square plus bx plus c. This I'll explain to you. Okay, how does it work? This you write it down. Property number 9, you need to write on this part, I'll explain to you.
Okay, sir.
Property number 9 is whenever the integration is in this form, that you need to work on that part. If this is in this form, that means numerator is also in the linear equation but the denominator is a quadratic equation. Then how will you solve it? So write down this part. So basically you just write down, then I'll explain to you what does it mean here. Yes, Shreya, where are we now for you?
So we have to do from example 6 in AP.
Example 6, right? That's okay. I'll just open that book for you. So we left with example 6, okay. Okay, check whether the, check whether 301 is the term of the list of the numbers 5, 7, 5, 11, 17, 23. Is it that part only, right?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, let's try it out now. Same method.
So we have to apply the same formula.
Same formula. Assume the AN is 301.
Okay.
And try to get the nth term, isn't it? If the n is positive number, or that means natural number, then this term is there. Else, not there, isn't it?
Okay.
Clear, no? Understood? Okay, just try it out, then I'll explain to you. Which are done? Have you done this part?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now look at this part. Whatever you have written px plus q, numerator is equal to constant term a into differentiation of the denominator plus b. Got it? So basically when we want the numerator to be either differentiation of one term plus the constant term, so that if it is if the numerator comes a differentiation of the denominator, then you can put directly you can put denominator as t, isn't it? You can directly substitute the denominator as a t. You can directly write down ax square plus bx plus c is equal to t, and then when you differentiate it, you already get the numerator part. The first part, what you will get is the log of denominator. When you do the integration, you will get the log of that term. Second part, where the constant term b is there, b by ax square plus bx plus c. B by ax square plus bx c will come in the form of property number 7, where we need to do the completing the square. Once you get the completing the square method, you will get directly get in the equation of property number 1 and the property number 3. We can apply. Understood?
Okay.
Any questions, any doubts?
No, sir. No.
Yeah, it's just a theoretical thing. Once we do the, with the example, it will become very easy for you to understand. Fine?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go with the problem number, let's go to the evaluation integration property number 10 now. Property number 10 is also a similar thing, it's the standard form, px plus q dx. Oh, this is the same thing, property number 3. Now here the square root is there. It's the same thing. The working condition is everything is remain the same. Property number 10 is everything is same just because the denominator is in the terms of root. So the method will be the same. You will put the ax square plus bx as t and you try to equate the numerator in terms of that. Instead of log, it will become 1 by root t. Root t. Clear? Method is same, no difference. Let's go to example 8 now. Let's go to example 8. Direct formulas part. Okay, let's try it out now. Using property number 1 to property number 6, you should be able to get the answer. Try with the example 8 now.
Okay, sir.
Yup. Shreya, you getting?
So I'm getting it as 151 by 3.
What are you getting? 151 by 3. So again, 151 by 3 is not a natural number, right?
Yeah.
So this 3, so if it is not doesn't come a natural number, that means this number doesn't exist in the sequence, right? Because the term, the number of terms has to be natural number, right? Because once we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like this, it has to be natural number only, because we cannot say it's 151 by 3th term. No. Either 151th term or 152nd term. Right? Because this number has to be natural number, right? Because when you start it's just like when you start the studying, you have the first standard, second standard, third standard. You don't have 3.5 standard, right? You don't have 1 by 4 standard.
Yeah.
You study natural number wise, right? Correct. 11, you study 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. So all the natural numbers. So you don't have in between, right? So that's why these are the terms. Yeah. Go to example 7 now. Same method.
Okay.
Vijay, first one is clear to you? X square minus 16. Is it coming in the property number 1?
Yes, sir.
Property number 1, direct you can apply the formula.
Yeah.
So whatever you remember, now you have already derived the formula, so you don't have to derive again now. You can directly copy paste the output of the formula.
Okay, sir.
Identify clearly what is A, and then substitute 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a.
Okay, sir.
So that's why we derive the formula, so that you remember the formula very well. Clear? Any questions, any doubts?
Yes. No, sir. Yeah.
Excellent. What's the answer you got, Vijay?
So the first one is 1 by 8 log x minus 4 by x plus 4 plus 2.
Correct.
The second one, so I'm getting a little bit doubt because...
Okay, second one you're getting a little bit down. No problem, Vijay.
Yeah.
Second one I need to explain you, because this is in the form of quadratic equation, right? And we need to do the completing the square method here. Okay. So how do you do that? Let's try to understand this part. Okay. Let me share my screen to you, and then we'll do that, because If you don't get it this part, then this. Okay. Yes, second part is important. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's do this part. So basically you need to solve this 2x minus x square. You need to get in the form of what? You need to get in the form of property number 2. Or, because square root of something, is square minus x square, right? You need to get in the square root of this method. So basically you need to get the...
I thought this was property number 4.
Sorry. Property number 4. You need to get in the property number 4, correct? Or you have another square root of a square minus x square, right? Either property number 4 or property number 5. Anything can be possible, right? Correct? Okay. So any of the properties number 4 and 5 can be possible. So let's try it out. How do you do that, right? So depending on that, we'll try to see. Okay, so 2x minus x square. So what I'll write is, here it's 2x. So I need to complete the square now. So this is the 2x minus x square is there, isn't it? Fine.
Yeah.
Now what I'll do is, my goal is basically I need to get in the form of either a minus b whole square formula, a minus b whole square, or a plus b whole square, isn't it? These two formulas I need to apply it here, correct?
Yes.
Now what I'll do now, 2x minus x square. So what let's do it, let's take the minus common here. So it will become the normal form. So it will become x square minus 2x, x square, x square minus 2x, isn't it?
Yeah.
Can I write like this, correct? Right, fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now minus 1, I'll put a big bracket now here. So x square minus 2x is there. So I need to see 2ab is 2x. So what I need a b square, subtract b, add b square and subtract b square. So let's do that. So what I'll do, x square is here, minus 2x is there. This is minus 2ab, so it will come in the form of a minus b whole square. So minus 2x. So divide the 2x with 2. So you'll get 1. So basically you have to add 1 square and subtract 1 square.
Okay.
So add 1 square and subtract 1 square, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is it fine? Now if we see clearly, this thing x square minus 2x and plus 1 square, I can group it together. This becomes in the form of a minus b whole square, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll write it down here. 0 minus 1 bracket, this I can put in the form of x minus 1 whole square, isn't it?
Yeah.
And this is minus 1, correct?
Yes, sir.
Any questions, any doubts?
No, sir. Yeah.
Now minus 1 you multiply it, so it will become this minus will become positive. So 1 minus bracket x minus 1 whole square, isn't it?
Yeah.
So entire 2x minus x square can be written in this form, isn't it? 1 minus x minus 1 whole square. So this can be in the form of a square minus x square format, a square minus x square format. Anyway, root is there, so you will get the root of this one format, isn't it?
Yeah.
Clear or not?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Now you can just put x minus 1 as t, and that's you will get in the form of a square, root of a square minus t square formula. This is the formula, you will get it, this formula. Property number 5th, correct?
Yes, sir.
Understood? Any questions, any doubts?
No, sir. Clear.
Okay, now attempt it. with your understanding so that it gets clear to you.
Okay, sir.
I'll stop sharing. I'll send it to you.
Sir, I'm not getting this example.
Okay, no problem. Let me explain to you how many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3. 2-digit numbers. So 2-digit number will start from where? 1, 0, 10, 11, 12, 13,
Yeah.
right? Till it goes to where? Till it goes to 99. Right?
Yeah.
It will start with 10, it will end at 99.
Yeah.
So in between that we need to find the numbers which are divisible by 3. So after 10, which is the first number divisible by 3? Is the 10 divisible by 3? No. So read the 3's table and find out which is
That's 12.
12. So start with 12. So first number is 12. What will be the next number? You add 3. 12 plus 3. How much?
15.
15 plus 3. 18.
18.
Correct. So it keeps on. Can you get? Are you getting the sequence now? 12, 15, 18, then 21, 24,
Yeah.
so on. And what is the last number? Is the 99 divisible by 3 or not? Because last digit of 2 digit
That will be
number.
divisible by 3.
Yeah, so basically last digit nth term is 99 now. First term is 12. Last term is 99. So you need to find the n. Total number of terms are how many are there. So use the same formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1d. So here an will be 99.
Okay.
First term is a 12. Common difference is 3. Clear?
Okay. We just have to use the same formula.
Yeah, same formula. Exactly the same formula.
Okay.
Correct?
Fine, sir.
Yeah, try it out.
Yeah. Okay.
You getting Vijay?
Yes, I'm getting it.
Excellent.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Vijay.
I'm getting 1 by 2 log x minus x by 2 minus x.
1 by 2 you are getting.
Because that's the second formula.
Okay, so what is the second formula?
integration dx a by a square minus x square equals 1 by 2 log a plus x by a minus x.
No, you're doing the second example 8 second part only, right?
Yeah, example the second part.
Okay, so how did you get? No, you can't apply that formula. You have to apply the fifth formula only, no?
Fifth form.
Yeah, fifth property. X, that dx by square root of a square minus x square. Okay, so basically what did you get here? So some confusion is there for you. Okay, let's see that part. See, you get this part, right? Let me just share my screen to you and then we'll see. I'll explain to you. Now, this is, till here you got it or not? Till here you got it?
Yeah.
Okay, now after that, see, it is not in the directly in the form of a square minus x square, no? It is in the form of x minus 1 whole square. So you need to put x minus 1 as t to bring it in the form of a square minus x square. Got it, no?
Yes, sir.
So when you put it x minus 1 as t and differentiate it, you will get dx is equal to dt. Then finally you will get this equation. This equation comes as a square minus t square. This is in form of your property number 5. Then you can apply the property number 5 and then replace the t with x terms. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Try it out. Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
So I'm getting 30.
You're getting? Second. You're getting the 30? Let's see. Is the 30 is correct answer?
Yeah, sir, I'm getting 30.
Excellent. So this total number of terms are how many? 30 then? Got it, no?
Yeah, sir.
Excellent.
Yeah.
So basically when you count from the 12 to 99, which are divisible by 3, they are the 30 terms. Fine? Okay, go to the example 8 now.
Okay.
Is the question clear to you, Shreya? From the last term, that means reverse AP you have to do. So what you can do in this term is, you can reverse the AP. Understood? You can reverse the AP as first term, you can make, reverse it. Minus 62 ... 10 7 4. So 4 becomes the last term, minus 62 becomes the first term. And then find the 11th term using the formula A of n is equal to this one. Understood or not? Then the common difference will be what?
I'll try it first.
Yeah, try it out. In case if you don't get it, then I'll explain to you.
Okay.
Yeah. Vijay, you are getting it?
Yes, I'm getting it.
Excellent. Superb.
Okay.
Yeah, Vijay.
This one, sin inverse x1 f1.
Excellent, Vijay. Clear this part? Any questions, any doubts?
No, sir. Clear.
Okay, go to the example 9, first part now. Let's see.
Yes.
You know? So this part is clear. Okay, x square minus 6x plus 13. Let's do. So here again you need to do completing the square, Vijay.
Yeah, this one's the seventh formula, right?
Yup.
Yes, I'll just do it.
Yeah, you just try it out. And let me see how you do that. Yeah, Shreya, you getting it? The example 8 part for you.
No, sir, I'm not getting this part.
Not getting? Okay. Let's see this part, Shreya. Let me just share my screen to you and then let's do that part. Is it okay? Can you see my screen now?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, so let's do this part. So let's see that the question is asking you to find the last term, 11th term from the last term. This part is only important, right? So currently your sequence is first term is this is the first term, isn't it? A1, then this becomes the A2, isn't it? And so on. This becomes the AN, correct? 10 is the first term,
Yeah.
7 is the second term, 4 third term, and then minus 62 is the last term, right? So from here backside we need to find from backside, which is the 11th term, correct? So what I'm saying is,
Yeah.
convert back to the, let's reverse this sequence. Let's say an will make it to the, first term as minus 62. Reverse the AP. Then so on. Then what will become? 4 becomes 7. Then becomes the 10, isn't it? Now this becomes the first term.
Yeah.
And this becomes the, let's say this becomes the nth term, isn't it? Now new sequence you got is this one, isn't it? Now we need to find the
Yeah.
A. So A11 is somewhere in between. A11, correct? Now let's see. So first term is A is equal to minus 62. A of n is equal to 10. And common difference will be equal to what? 7 minus 4 or 10 minus 7? Correct? 7 minus 4 or 10 minus 7? Common difference 3. So apply the formula. A of 11. No, first you get the total number of terms you get. No, I think you already got the first term, you got it. Common difference, you got it. You need to find 11th term. You can directly apply the 11th formula now. A11 is equal to A plus 10D, correct? So A is there. D is also there. You can find the 11th term, isn't it? A is minus 62 plus
Okay.
10 into 3.
3.
You getting? So this will become the
Okay, sir.
11th term.
Yeah, I
from-
got it. You just have to substitute the values.
Yeah, just substitute the value. Yeah, correct.
Okay.
Yeah, just try it out now.
Okay.
I'll send it to you. Yeah, Vijay, where are we now?
So I couldn't do the 9th one. I can't part 1 to 9.
Ninth, first one, you couldn't get it?
No, sir.
Okay, no problem. Let's see.
Completing the square is a little bit confusing.
Okay, I'll send you the easiest method. Okay, completing the square you are not able to get. Okay, so let's go to the crux of this problem. Okay, how to do that I'll explain to you. Okay, see carefully what I'm doing. Okay, so that it will become easy for you. Okay, so can you see my screen now? Okay. Can you see my screen?
No, sir, just a presentation.
Oh, you're not coming, okay. Presentation, okay. So one moment. I'll think something. No problem. Let me just. I'll share again the screen now. Let's. Can you see my screen now?
Yeah, no.
Okay, good. So now look this part. So this is x square minus, focus on this part because this is x square minus 6x plus 13, right? So basically we are now, what is that, what is given to us? So we need to concentrate on only these two terms first, x square minus 6x. This is in the form of what? This is in the form of x square is nothing but the, you got it, no? We need to form the form a plus b square, a minus b whole square, right? So now,
Yeah.
this is a square. x square is mapped to a square. Minus 6x is mapped to minus 2ab. Okay. What is the formula? See, minus sign will determine whether a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square. So it's minus means a minus b whole square will be there. Correct?
Yeah.
So now here, let's map it. So a is equal to x here, and minus 2ab is equal to minus 6x, correct?
Yeah.
So substitute the value of a here. So it will become minus 2x into b is equal to minus 6x, correct?
Yeah.
So x cancelled, correct? And
Yes,
minus 2 gets cancelled. So it becomes a 3. So b, what is the value of b you got? B you got 3. So what is remaining here? Plus b square, right? Then only become a minus b whole square, right?
Yes, sir.
So b you got 3. So basically you need to add b square minus b square. Add and subtract the b square. So basically x. So we can write like this. Now x square. Now we need to just group it. X square minus 6x plus 3 square. B, we got the value of b, no? B is 3. So we need to make b square. So we just can't make b square like this. So whatever you are adding, you have to subtract that also, no? So that equation doesn't changes. So you add and subtract 3 square. Then what is remaining? Plus 13. Isn't it now?
Yeah.
Now can you group this part now? X square minus 6x plus 3 square. This comes in the form of x minus 3 whole square.
Yeah.
This comes in the form of x minus 3 whole square. Now what is remaining? Minus 9 plus 13. Minus 9 plus 13. So what is minus 9 plus 13? Plus 4. X minus 3 whole square plus 4, isn't it?
Yeah.
Clear? Plus 4 can be written as this form. Any questions, any doubts?
No, sir.
Clear? Any questions, any doubts?
No, sir. Clear.
So completing the square is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes,
See,
clear.
basically you need to get value of b. That only you have to square and subtract, no? Add and subtract square, b square. Right?
Yeah.
Try the same question with by yourself now. See whether you are able to apply or not.
Okay, sir.
Method is same. So this has to get continued like that only. So I'll just send it to you, this part, so that you are clear. Shreya, you getting it?
I'm getting it as 25.
N is equal to 25.
Yeah, sir.
25 terms are there in the AP. Yeah, correct answer, Shreya. Find the 11 terms from the last term towards the AP, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yup. 11 term from last term we get n is total n is 25 terms, and then you find out, and then 11 term from last term is minus. You should go minus 32, no? Total number of terms is minus 25, but 11th term is minus 32, right?
Achha, n equal to 25.
A of 11, because the question is asking find the 11th term from the last term. So you need to find the 11th term.
Okay.
Correct or not? You got it?
Yeah, sir.
Sir?
Yeah.
Done.
You got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, clear this part?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, do the second part now. Same method, okay? Completing the square.
Yes, sir.
Told you how to find out, so same method, okay?
Yeah.
So I'm getting it as minus 29.
Minus 22?
So minus 29.
Okay, so let's check the answer whether it's correct or not. Minus 22 or minus 32? You should minus
So
32.
minus 29.
No, minus 22 is wrong answer. It should be minus 32. Minus 62 plus 30 is minus 32 only, no? Check. Send me a calculation. Just let me just see what you have done.
Yeah, okay, sir, I'll send.
Yeah. AN, the formula is wrong, Shreya. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 D, no? Formula is wrong. A plus N minus 1 D. And common difference also went wrong for you. Common difference is 3. I showed you, right? 3.
Oh yeah, common difference should be 3.
See, I just sent you, I had sent you the A11 is equal to. Just check that part. Right? Correct, no?
Yeah, so common difference is 3.
Yeah.
Okay.
Vijay, got it? Second part?
I'm still doing it, sir.
Okay.
So now I'm getting -32.
Excellent. Shreya, can you go to the example 9 now?
Sir,
Yeah.
sir,
Yep.
it's 1 by 17 log 6x minus 4 by 6x plus 30 plus b.
Log. Yeah, correct answer, Vijay. Excellent. Superb. Superb, Vijay. Yeah, so you can further, no need to further simplify, you can just keep it like that also. It's fine. Right?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, go to the third part now.
Yeah.
Now you understood completing the square method.
Yeah.
Okay. Try the third one now.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Shreya, what's the answer you got? Question clear to you?
I'm still doing it.
The question is clear to
Also,
you?
we have to use the so we have to use a simple
Simple
yeah,
interest
sir.
formula.
So
Yeah,
we have to use a simple interest formula here.
correct. You are right. Come on, Shreya, finish it off. We have then only example 10th will be remaining for you to go for the exercise 5.2. You are able to get to the third part.
I'm trying it, sir.
Okay. I hope you are not stuck.
No. Currently, no.
Excellent.
The D will be 80 and the interest will be 2400.
Interest will be 20. Yeah, correct answer. Excellent. Perfect, Shreya. Go to the example 10 now. Last example.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yes, yeah.
I don't get this one.
You didn't get this part? Okay. So again you need to complete the square now, Jay. Not clear how to complete the square in this part?
No.
Okay, let's see that. I'll go with the same method, okay? No difference. Let's see why you can't get. I'm doing the same method, okay? Let me just
Okay.
show it to you, and just let me know that where you're getting stuck. Visible?
Yeah.
Okay. Now it is 5x square minus 2x, so I'll just put it here, 5x square, right? 5x square minus 2x is the equation, correct?
Yeah.
Now this is what is given here. This is a square, this is a square, and this is 2ab, isn't it? And this is minus
Yeah.
2ab. Fine. What we need?
Yeah.
B square. We need B square to complete it. The square. Right? Right?
Yes, sir.
So here I need to add plus B square minus B square plus B square minus B square. Then only this we can do completing the square, right? Correct? So a square, let's see that a square is equal to 5x square. That means a square is equal to 5, a square is equal to 5x square, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so what is a is equal to? A is equal to 5x. That means root 5x, isn't it?
Yeah.
So a I got a root 5x. Now 2ab is 2x. Now let's see what is the value of b now. 2ab is equal to 2x. So what is a here? 2 into a is nothing but root 5x, correct? 5x.
Yeah.
So I'll put root here. A is nothing but the root 5x into b. Into b is equal to 2x, correct? So x cancelled. X here cancelled. 2 here cancelled. So b is equal to 1 by root 5.
Okay.
B is equal to 1 by root 5. So I need to put here what? 1 by root 5 whole square minus 1 by root 5 whole square, correct?
Yeah.
So it will become 5. So a square minus b square formula, right? So we'll put as root 5x whole square. Root 5x whole square, isn't it?
Yeah.
So let's put this part root 5x bracket root 5x whole square minus 2x plus 1 by root 5 whole square, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So we'll put 1 by root 5 whole square. So I'll just put the root 5. Root 5 whole square, right?
Yeah.
1 by root 5 whole square minus again root 5 whole square, correct?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Minus again root 5 whole square. Done. So group it now. This will become in the form of root 5x minus 1 by root 5 whole square. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Correct, no? Then you can just take it out. This becomes the completing a square. Now finally you got this part as so this becomes root 5 root 5x minus 1 by root 5 1 by root 5 whole square, correct?
Yeah.
This now it become minus 1 by root 5 whole square is nothing but 1 by 5. Got it, no? Clear? Any questions, any doubts? I am doing the same method, no change.
It's clear.
It's just the numbers are different. That's the only thing. But the method is same only all the time. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, no problem. Sure, I think you take this as part of homework. Well, let's close it now so that this part you just try by yourself in this method now. Let's see how do you do that. Okay. If you get any doubt, we'll discuss then part. Is it okay, Vijay?
Yes, sir.
I think this should be fine for you, isn't it? Now.
Yeah.
Shreya, you got it now, Shreya? Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir, I got n equal to 10.
Excellent, Shreya. N is equal to 10. You got it? Perfect. So you're good to go with the exercise 5.2 now. Fine.
Yes.
Okay, let's try exercise 5.2 and then we'll discuss the doubts.
Sir, bye, sir.
Sure, fine. Let's close it now. We'll continue. Okay.